Okay, so it looks like you're trying to do a vector sum equation with these two vectors, the 32.2 kilometers at 35 degrees north of west and the 24.6 kilometers at 72 degrees south of west. So I've just put these on an XY coordinate axes to make it easier. And how you do vector sums like this is you break the vector down into its components. So you treat the 32.2 kilometers as the hypotenuse of a right triangle, and you break it into y and x. And as you can see here, this angle is 35 degrees based on this angle translates over here when you have parallel intersections. And how you find y1 and x1 is using trigonometry. So sine of 35 is y over 32, is y over the hypotenuse. So y1 is 32.2 times sine of 35. You just move it around a little bit, and that'll give you 18.5. And then to find x, you use cosine, because x over the hypotenuse is cosine of theta. So 32.2 cosine 35 is x. And you do the same for the other vector, knowing that since y is in the opposite direction, its value will be negative. To find your new vector right here, you simply add the components from each of the original vectors. So y1 plus y2 is your 18.5 minus 23.4, which gives you negative 4.9 kilometers. So, and then your x1 plus x2 is 34, 26.4 plus 7.6. And to find this total length, you simply use the Pythagorean theorem. So you do x squared plus y squared equals the length squared, which when you do that, 4.9 squared plus 34 squared and take the square root, you get a length of 34.35. And you can find this new angle, which is both this angle and this angle. So it'll be this many degrees south of west. Sorry, south of west. You just use trigonometry again. So you know your opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So you can use arc cosine, arc sine, or arc tangent in either of those three to find your angle. You simply, so if you were going to do arc tangent, for example, you would say arc tangent of opposite, negative 4.9 over adjacent, 34, gives you your angle. But because we want this angle and we don't want it in radians, not in radians, like a negative angle, you use the absolute value. So 4.9 over 34 arc tangent gives you 8.2 degrees. Hope that helped.